going to show you how to make a paper airplane shaped like a skinny dart. What you're going to need for this is a half a sheet of paper. So here we go. I'm going to make a half a sheet of paper. Got a ruler and an X-Acto knife. Boom, half sheet of paper. Okay, so we're going to start by folding that sheet of paper in half longwise, and then unfold, and we're going to fold our corners down along that midline, and then we're going to fold the corners in again down the midline. And then we're going to fold them in again down the midline. All right, and then we're going to fold it backward. And we're going to fold the wings down again on the outside. All right, and that is how you make a paper airplane shaped like a skinny dart. I'm Laura, thanks for watching.